Hi there, it's Jenna from scribblinggrace.com. Today I'm going to do a Bible journal flip through video. So I love watching these flip through videos here on YouTube. I get so much inspiration from them. So I thought that I would do one of my own Bibles. So I have two different Bibles that I work on normally. I have a couple others as well, but this was the first Bible that I have, and it has all different kinds of mediums in it, and there's so many different entries. So for the sake of time, I thought I would start with this Bible here, which is about 6 months old, and it's mainly all watercolor pieces. So if you want to see this Bible with a flip through video, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments that you want to see a flip through of this one. But for today, I'm just going to flip through this Bible here. Like I said, it's mostly watercolor entries, and I'll put the links to my most used products in the description below. It's Kuretake Gansai Tambi watercolors and my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and a couple other things, so I'll put those down below. Alright, so let's get started. So that's my journaling Bible flip through. I wanted to point out that this is the Zondervan NIV Journaled Word Bible, and I just hand painted the cover on the outside. I really enjoy this journaling Bible. The pages are a tiny bit thinner than my Crossway, but I really like this one. I also wanted to point out that you may have seen a bunch of these roses throughout my Bible, and I have a tutorial on how to do these here on my YouTube channel, as well as a tutorial on how to do, let's see if I can find it, these flowers as well. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe and make sure that you watch these tutorials if you're interested. And I also wanted to make sure that you know, if you see something that interests you and you want a tutorial on how to do that, please let me know in the comments and I will try to do a tutorial for you guys. As well as if you just want to know the story behind one of these pages or the materials used. Again, mostly it's just watercolor and my Tombow Fudenosuke. I do highlight a lot of my lettering. I find that highlighting makes that lettering just pop a little bit. So usually I use gel pens, like here's a blue gel pen and here's a white gel pen, and I'll put the links to buy those on Amazon below. Alright, I hope this was helpful and inspired you in some way. Alright, have a good day and God bless.